This video tutorial will give you a step-by-step guide on how to show estimated delivery dates for WooCommerce FedEx Rates with EasyPost. You can achieve this using ELEX EasyPost Shipping and Label Printing plugin for WooCommerce. Apart from showing FedEx, UPS, and USPS real-time rates, printing shipping labels, shipment tracking, and so on, the ELEX EasyPost plugin for WooCommerce shows estimated delivery date for WooCommerce FedEx Rates as well as USPS and UPS. Let's see how to enable this setting in the plugin. First, make sure you have enabled real-time rate settings in the ELEX EasyPost plugin. To do this, move to the General tab of the plugin settings. Enable the real-time rate settings in this way. Next, click on the Rates and Services tab. Scroll down to find the estimated delivery date settings. Enable the setting to reveal additional settings. The first setting allows you to choose the desired working days. The estimated delivery days are calculated based on the selected days. You can also choose to specify the cut-off time. If an order is placed after the cut-off time, the next working day will be chosen as the shipping date in the EasyPost API request. Further, you need to enable FedEx services. Scroll down to find the EasyPost carrier setting. From the given drop-down list, choose the FedEx option. You will see a services table showing all the FedEx services. You can choose to enable or disable the desired services, configure price adjustments, etc. You can read the product documentation to understand these settings in detail. Follow the link in the video description. Once these settings are configured, save them. Moving to the front end of the store. When customers add a product to the cart, they can see the estimated delivery dates for FedEx Rates as shown. Hence, in this way, you can show estimated delivery dates for WooCommerce FedEx Shipping, using ELEX EasyPost Shipping and Label Printing plugin for WooCommerce, making this plugin the ideal solution for FedEx estimated delivery date functionality. If you don't have our ELEX EasyPost Shipping plugin for WooCommerce, purchase it today. This plugin is approved by EasyPost, which gives you one of the many reasons to trust this plugin. Follow the links given in the video description and get started with a smooth WooCommerce EasyPost shipment management. Go follow us on our social media channels, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos related to WordPress and WooCommerce.